Hello again guys, welcome to this video. So I've had a lot of people asking me about how I do my trading, what do I do on a daily basis, how easy is it, how difficult is it, can I teach them how to do it. So I thought one of the easiest things I can do is to do a vlog where I literally am showing a day in the life of things that I normally do. So this is a typical Sunday for me. So I normally would maybe drive around a little bit. Maybe I'll either go to a Tesla charge station, maybe I'll go and grab some breakfast. So today I did a little bit of a quick charge, and then after I did a quick charge, I went to grab a McDonald's breakfast, which was, pretty chill. And what I'm really looking at here is I'm looking at previous trades that I've done, you know, in the last week, just checking off profits that I've made, and I'm just literally analyzing the market for the coming week. Now, the beauty of what I do is automated trading is that I literally set the limits of how much I want to trade. I literally put the inputs into the bot of how I want it to trade, and then literally everything is quite simple from then. So I don't have to sit behind a screen and do, hours and hours of screen time. I literally don't have to do that. Sometimes I can literally set the bot up how I want to set it, drive around, go for a chill, whether I want to go to the beach, whether I want to grab a drink, Starbucks, whatever, and then I just let the automated trading take its course. Now, in terms of teaching some of you how to do this and the tools that I use, I've actually created a course. Now, I thought to myself, rather than charging for this course, one thing that I could do is, because I know a lot of you are motivated to actually learn trading, but you don't want to put any capital in or anything until you kind of learn how to do it. So I'm going to make this course free on the entry. However, the tools that you need, obviously you're going to need to pay for, because I'm providing you the tools that I use. But this makes it easier for you to learn without any real pressure. So I've literally put together a course on Udemy, and I'm going to show you everything that I do step by step, and it's really up to you whether you want to take it on board and how much you want to learn. So that's pretty much it for this quick video. Now I'm gonna go into my screen so you can actually see some of the things of how the bot works before obviously I go into further detail on Udemy to explain in more detail, what is forex trading, what is automated trading, what is MetaTrader 4, all these intricate little things. I'm not expecting anyone to know what it is, so that's why in the course I'm literally going to start from scratch, start from zero, as if I don't know what trading is. I'm going to start it almost like that, so that anyone who's a beginner can literally go through the course, see all the content, and learn exactly what I do, and learn how they can do themselves. And then if they want to take it on board, start, learn with me, they can do that, whether they want to use my tools, my automated trading tools, and then that's up to them. So thanks for watching this quick video, and I'm gonna jump into my screen and show you the Udemy course that I'm creating. So I'm actually creating this today. I'm hoping that it's Sunday today, and I'm hoping I can get it done within a day. Maybe that's a bit of a push, but I'm a hard worker, and I have a lot of time for you guys. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll catch you inside the course. Hello again guys, so now that I've actually finished doing that recording a little bit, I'm actually going to jump in right now and show you a little quick preview so that you understand how trading works. So this is a little bit of a presentation that I'm creating for the course, so I'll just show you a little quick brief view of how trading actually works. So automated trading, what are we looking at now? So what is trading? So I'm going to give you an explanation into how trading works, how profit is made, and how we can trade and how much profit you can make. And then also I want to explain to you what is forex. Forex basically means foreign exchange, and I also want to explain to you how do we even make money in the market when the market is on a downturn. So even though we're entering into a recession, how is it that we can still make a lot of money in trading? Why is trading market proof, if that makes sense? And then we're also going to talk about how we can automate it on the course as well as the trading robots that I use. So just a quick brief overview, just so you can understand the concept. So in trading you have two simple concepts: a buy, which means going long, bullish, which basically means you're saying a certain stock or value a certain stock, for example, is going to go up in value. As an example, let's say you have an apple, like an actual fruit apple, not the Apple brand, but let's say an actual apple. Let's say you want to make profit on this apple and you buy it for $5 from a shop and you want to sell it when you can make profit. Now let's say this apple costs you $5, and then let's say things happen in the market. For example, an increase in price happens on apples after you've bought the apple. Now you can sell this apple for $10, and then you make yourself $5 profit. That's the simple concept of a buy order, or you could call it going long, a bullish order. Now I'll show you how this ties into Forex and how it works. Now let's look at the opposite, which is a sell order. Now a sell order is a little bit different, but it's still the same sort of concept. Now in a sell order, you're basically saying the value of this apple is going to drop. So let's say you buy this apple for $10, but then you're saying that the value of this apple is going to drop. When the value of the apple actually drops to $5, it's almost like you're rewarded for your prediction, and you make $5 profit this way as well. Now with this concept, this is why as Forex traders we can make money during any economic position, for example. So let's say even when the value of the pound decreased, if you decided to do a sell order, or what's called shorting it, that's basically you saying you believe the value of the pound is going to drop. You can actually make money that way as well. Or if you wanted to, you could make money off the opposite. Let's say if the value of the pound was going to increase again because of market stability increasing, the government has become a little more stable now. So let's say when the pound dropped really low, then you put in a value of, and then you put in a buy signal, for example, or buy order to say the market value is going to increase for the pound. You can make money that way. So now let's kind of show this in a real world scenario in terms of what we do in Forex. So Forex is basically foreign exchange. In basic terms, let's look at an example. So we trade in what are called Forex pairs. So Forex pairs, an example is the British pound versus the US dollar. So the British pound versus the US dollar, without going into too much detail, the pound is the value of the pound to the pound, it's £1 basically. Now if I was to ask you what's worth more, £1 or $1, you might be able to answer that, you might not be. But as of today, the current market is saying the US dollar it takes essentially 1.21 US dollars to make £1. Now what does this mean in a real market scenario? Now let's look at this graph, for example. So as you can see on here, imagine the Apple concept here. So you can see here steadily the value of the pound has been dropping steadily. That's what this graph is showing. So as you can see, just before December 18, the value was 1.24, and now it's 1.21 to the US dollar. Now this obviously is a tiny small change, but this tiny small change is enough for you to make profit. And obviously we trade, we make money within these market curvatures here. So sometimes you could even make money off this little peak here, this little dip here, either buying or selling. And that's what essentially the robot does. And that is basically Forex trading in a nutshell. Now I'm going to go into further detail in terms of how it actually works, how you can acquire capital to trade with, the difference between trading your own funds and trading for a prop firm, and also the profit potential that you can make in Forex trading, and also how it can also be all automated so that you don't really literally have to touch anything. You literally can just set it up, check on it every other day, and make money. So that's what I'm going to go over in the actual course, but this was a little bit of a brief intro into what I want to go into in terms of helping you guys. And then I'm also going to be doing another follow-up video to do a little brief as well, and then also more detail in the Udemy course that I'm creating that's going to be free for you guys. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.